Did you know they have UFC style matches in Colombia? I got a chance to go to the UGP match. I got invited by Thick Boy Gang, Thick Boy fighters that traveled to Colombia from Canada to bring the monster himself, Balkan Boy, to the octagon. It took place at University of Medellin. They had a full lineup of different weight classes and also MMA and just straight Muay Thai fights. Since he was second to the main event, we got a chance to see all the other fighters do their thing. And then after he was all warmed up and ready to go, it was time for battle. I got to walk out with the fighter. It was crazy. I've never done that before. And after that, I got to sit in the coach's corner, which is wild. My boy was putting up a good fight. Look at this action. Boom, boom, this, yikes. But in an unseen event, his opponent got him in a leg lock and he had to tap. Man, we were sad that he lost, but I got to go in the octagon, which was crazy because I could feel the pressure in there myself. But it was a vibe. He lived to fight another day, and I was super excited to be there. I want to thank UGP and Thick Boy Fight Club, and follow me for more travel stuff like this. Peace!